Hi Papuni and Prasnaja, a very happy 50th anniversary. आमे तमनक पई बहुत प्लान करथिलु पार्टी करिवु किंतु किछि हे पारलानी से जो आमे समस्त वीडियो बनाउछु आउ तमने बहुत भला आमे जेबे सेठी की जाऊ तमे बहुत किछि नै कि आस्था आउ हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी।
हैप्पी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी तमर आज स्पेशल 50th एनिवर्सरी केते खुशीर दिन काली परिका लगुच तमान बाहागर किंतु या भितर केते समय चलीगला 50 वर्ष बीतीगला केते सुख दुख झड़ झंझा भितर तमे तम जीवन दी जन जाक सांग ही कटे देछ केते पिला माने सब प्लान करले तम पई करबा को किंतु कोविड जोगु किछि हे पालानी एबे भी आगु को लगुच केबे जाइए आम तुमको देखिपर तुम संग केबे देखा हबो तुम जीवन रे बहुत सुख दुख आसी तुम सबू भलरे सांगरे दिजन जाक ताकू बहुत स्ट्रांगली फेस कर कटे देच तुमर एते भल कांटेक्ट सांग साथी नहीं तुम माने खुशी रे अछ आम माने सब बेले प्रे करू तुम माने सेमती खुशी रे सब बेले थाओ सेमती हस खुशी रे भगवान तुम मान को एते बढ़िया दीटी तुम लाइफ रो ट्रेजर तुमको देचंती ऋतु मिथुन आ तुम दीटा लिटिल हार्ट्स तुमर अरमान आ आयान सब बेले भगवान को प्रे करचु तुम माने सेमान का संगरे खुशी रे रुह स्काइप दूर रे थिले मध्य स्काइप रे देखी सेमान को खुशी हो सबुदिन तुम भल दिन गुड़िक मन पकेब केबे तुम दुखर कि कष्टर दिन को मन पकेबनी कौन कथार दुख करनी भगवान सबू सुख तुमको देचंती भलरे रुह तुम हेल्थ को जगिकी रहिब तुम स्पेशल आज मोमेंट रे तुमको एतिक आम मैंने तुम पाई आशा करुचु जहाँ हो के पुणी देखा हो भगवान को डाकुचु भलरे रुह हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी स्पेशल 50 हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी।
प्रसन्न भाई बहुत खुशी कथा तुम 50th एनिवर्सरी आज होची आम मैंने तुमको किसी ग्रीट कर पार्लुनी पर्सनाली तेणु ये वीडियो करके समस्त पठाउछंती आमर शुभेच्छा दी जन जाक नब तुम दी जन जाक तुम जीवन सारा स्ट्रगल आउ उन्नति रे ही आस दी जन को साथी देच तेणु तुम दी जन को से बहुत शुभेच्छा आउ आगु को भी तबे दी जन का साथी दब आउ तुमर फैमिली पई तबे गोटाए स्तंभ परिका ठिया हेच तेणु तुमको तुम फैमिली मध्य सपोर्ट करिवो आम माने तुमको केबे देखिबु जानिनु किंतु आई एम श्योर निश्चय बहुत जल्दी आमे तुम संगे देखा हबो आ तुमको आमे पर्सनली हमर कांग्रेचुलेशन जणाइबो धन्यवाद।
Hi Papniapa, many happy returns of the day. Congratulations. तोर 50 वर्ष हो गला मोर मन पूर्ति आज 50 वर्ष तल कथा मेम केमती हमको गाड़ी दौले दी जन को बकर बकर हो पिला बेल कथा सब मन अच्छी कौन एने तो सब बुढ़ी है कि गलुनी प्राय तो पिला माने देख ऋतु गोटे कम मत बड़ कष्ट काम आम तरफ मो तरफ आम तरफ समस्त को पीसा ते बहुत बहुत शुभेच्छा भलरे रुह देह पे भलरे रख देखा पुणी
Papuniappa and Prasanna Pisa, I wish you both a very happy 50 years of married life, a wonderful golden anniversary. I can vividly remember that day, July 10, 1970, your wedding day. Prasanna Pisa was looking very handsome like Samir Vanja, and you were looking like Sadhana in Mere Saya, resplendent in a red Banarasi. Most of all, the Beddi itte sundar sajaitila. I have never seen anything like that done by the family welfare department. We all were there. We all were happy. And you both were such a handsome couple. So good and exemplary. I pray to God that you always remain that way, ever and ever.
Happy golden anniversary, Prasanna Pisa. I remember 1970, July 10th, the day you got married. Papunyappa was dressed beautifully and was looking like Sadhana and was waiting for the bridegroom to come. And there came Prasanna Pisa, so handsome and devoted. I also remember the time you had gone to Sundargarh when Bappa Babu were there and you had such a fabulous time. You should remember calling me to Noamudi for a job, and when I went, you took me there, took care of me and gave me the job, but I did not join. And that job went to little.
So I came along. After that, I attended a wedding in Raulkela, and from there on I went for an interview to, I think it was Joda, for the same job. And in the evening, before the day of the interview, Ukuappa took us to your club, and that was my first glimpse of you as a dashing couple, Prasanna Pisa, and you had come to the club, and unconsciously I had attended my first interview where you asked me, "Tu kon titunku pa hochu?"
So,
And well, I gave the interview and I too followed suit and did not take up the job.
and Papunyappa, you were always like a sister to us, though you were a PC, a loving sister, and so we took you as a cousin, joked with you, and that still remains. So we wish you a very happy anniversary. Enjoy this anniversary.
And a long, healthy and happy life ahead.
50th anniversary, Papunyappa and Prasanna Pisa. Enjoy your day.
Happy anniversary, Papani Mausi and Prasanna Mosa. Actually, I should say happy 50th anniversary from all of us here in Bangalore, and special anniversary wishes from Bappa and Ma. I know they can't speak to you, they'll probably call you up and wish you on the D-Day, but special wishes from all of us. I mean, when I think of you, your house was a second home for me in Calcutta. You know, from school I used to just hop into your place, even from college. We have such lovely memories with you. Lunches, dinners, picnics, all piling on into a car and going puja pandal hopping during Dashera. I think, I mean, you know, it's just memories that make my relationship with you so very special. Seen Ritu and Rohit grow up, and we've have a fantastic time together in Calcutta. You think of Calcutta and you and Prasanna Mosa are part and parcel of my life. Hope you have a wonderful day, and we hope to see you very soon when I'm in Bhubaneswar next.
Happy anniversary to a very, very wonderful and golden couple. I think it's a real great thing that we have you in our lives. It's been wonderful, spending time and getting to know you both. And thanks for everything that you have done for us. And we will not be able to forget all the kind gestures and the wonderful, support all the time. We wish you the very best. Stay in good health, stay happy, and
Stay
hope to
safe.
see you soon. Stay safe and stay happy.
And the party is due after
Yes.
after COVID goes and everyone, and Ritu is
Yes.
in town next. We'll definitely
The
make
Golden
it.
Jubilee party will happen, as and when we are able to reach Bhubaneswar and catch up with everybody. See you soon.
Papuni Mausi ଆଉ ପ୍ରସନ୍ନ ଅଙ୍କଲ ନମସ୍କାର ଆପଣ ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ 50th ମ୍ୟାରେଜ୍ ଆନିଭର୍ସରୀର ବେଷ୍ଟ ୱିଶେସ୍
बहुत बहुत बेस्ट
Happy anniversary, Papuni Mausi and Prasanna uncle. Wish you many more years of togetherness.
A very happy anniversary, San Mummy and Prasanna uncle. On your 50th anniversary, we all had thought we'll have a big celebration, many surprises for you, but somehow we could not do it. But with this, I really have fond memories with both of you since my childhood. Our summer outings, our trips to Nuamundi, our trips to Kolkata, how we used to enjoy, we used to fight, we used to play, we used to do so many things, and the art and craft activities which I learned from you, San Mummy, so many of them. And I have so many fond memories. When I was studying during my MBBS, I remember you sending lots of foods to the hostel with Prasanna uncle when once he had come to Barampur, Gopalpur. And even after that, our trips to Odisha have always been memorable. Each time we have gone and met you, you have come and met us. And your short trips to Delhi, your extremely short trips to Delhi. We look forward to a long trip to Delhi so that we can have all the fun here and enjoy here. Thank you, San Mummy and Prasanna uncle, for all the fun you've given till now to us, and wish you many more years of togetherness and happiness.
I, Sana Aja, wishing you a very happy anniversary. Mama, how many years have they completed?
They've completed 50 years together, Arnav.
I haven't even thought about getting married. How have they stayed with each other for 50 years?
They stayed each other for 50 years because San Mummy is an exceptionally great wife, and Sanoja is a perfect gentleman and he helps around in the house.
So do I.
Right. San Mummy, Prasanna uncle, wishing you a great and happy and fabulous 50th wedding anniversary, and I've had such fond memories of both of you throughout my summer holidays, and always looked up to you as a great couple who had each other's back, and just inspirational for couples like us. We hope to achieve a percentage of what both of you have been able to achieve in your life. So absolutely inspirational. Whenever we meet next, hope to have a grand celebration to celebrate this milestone, and have a great day.
Sana Mummy, Prasanna uncle, very very happy anniversary, 50th anniversary. It's a big day. So best wishes, lots of good health, and looking forward to the celebration when we meet next. Keep rocking as always.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you guys.
पूरा बहुत मन अच्छे बिकड़ी गजा माछ खाई तंटी लगिला ही वाज टेकन टू कैपिटल हॉस्पिटल हाँ ସେଇଟା ତ ମନେ ଅଛି ମୋ ପାଖେ ପ୍ରଣବ ସାହୁ ମନେ ଅଛି ପ୍ରଣବ ସାହୁ ତା ଭାଇ ଏୟାର ଫୋର୍ସ ରେ ମରିଗଲେ ସେ ନିଜେ ମରିଗଲା ପ୍ରଣବ ସାହୁ କାହିଁ ମରିବ ହଁ ପ୍ରଣବ ସାହୁ ମରିଗଲାଣି ପ୍ରଣବ ସାହୁ ଚକ୍ର ପାଇକି ମରଲା ହଁ